today, hi, today we don't have Maddie because it's like in the middle of the night now, and I have a guest. Her name's Dessa, who has an orange in her mouth. Yeah. And today we're just like making them out pop. So first is cinnamon. Take that out of Pepsi. Pepsi first. Mellow. Oh wait. Okay, mellow yellow. Yeah. Mellow yellow. Pepsi. Sprite. And Coca-Cola. Don't forget the sugar. Sugar.
It's behind me, I'll get it.
What sugar?
Cream.
What? It's in the whipped cream. Whipped cream sugar.
Oh, that doesn't mean another ingredient.
And that's mostly it. And then so, oh wait, and so she's gonna be the taste tester, so you can see her. So, let's use your, I would use this, but it's probably too small on you. One second. Okay, we're back and she has a blindfold on. It's not really a blindfold, it's just, yeah.
See it.
That's us. Okay, so first, no, I'm not using it.
No, why isn't it?
We're using a bowl, okay? Like, what?
Trisha, what are you guys doing?
Don't you to try. Why on my dad's phone?
Because you don't watch YouTube on it.
Okay, so we're just gonna use a bowl. First, I'm gonna open all of them. Did you guys guess which one it is?
More challenges.
First one is oh, there you go.
I already did, even though I can't see anything, Trisha.
Why are you touching my butt?
Sorry, I can't see.
Okay, first one. Come on, stop. Right here. Oh God.
What are those?
Pepsi. No.
Cola.
No.
Sprite. Yellow mellow.
Yep, yellow metal.
I don't drink yellow mellow that much. There's a table. I don't want to turn it on.
Stop, stop.
Okay. No, you were a
Okay. You just made me mess up, so put this towel right here.
God. Brian.
We already did mellow yellow, so we're not doing it again. Just try it. Next one. You should, yeah. Ow, why are you touching my butt?
Sorry.
Oh wait, you know what I should do?
Arm.
Like this. Here you go.
Sense of
Okay.
I'm really good at doing that. I spit it out too quick.
Okay then. I'll do some more.
How about you just give me the bottle and I try to find my mouth?
That's the director?
Nope. Okay, open your mouth.
Coca-Cola.
Nope.
Pepsi.
Yep. Okay. Next one, peoples.
There we go.
Next, you get to do this to me.
No, no, loco, no. No, no, loco. No. No, no, loco, no, 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 loco, no. Where is tree?
Oh no.
Oh, I found you.
Okay, come on before this.
She's dead. This way?
Sprite. Yep.
You just taste it. I think we should know what this one is.
I am champion.
Oh.
Cola. Coca-Cola.
Yes. So you got all of them right. No, you didn't. Got this one right and this one right. So you only got 2 points. Well, that's not actually a bottle, but yeah. So now my turn.
Your turn.
My turn. Wait. I need to put one at a time, though.
Man, that's just gonna give it all away.
What?
I was gonna do 2 at a time,
No.
and it might be a lot obvious.
No.
I know it yesterday, just today.
I was like this. Are you literally drinking it?
No.
Oh, thought you was. I can pour it myself.
You just cheated.
What? I had my eyes closed.
Cool.
I'm serious. I pinky promise.
I'll do it.
Smell yellow.
Correct.
Oh! I always taste smell yellow, so.
Blue.
What's this? That's you?
Okay, I'm cooking. Whoa, that's kind of a lot. Right here.
This is Coca-Cola. This is Coca-Cola.
It is Coca-Cola. Finally found it. It's gonna be tricky because it's 2 mixed up.
Oh, so hard.
Yeah. So far you only got 2. What's a gear?
Tastes like Coca-Cola and Sprite.
You got the Sprite right, but it was actually Pepsi.
Okay, now I'm done.
Yeah. I mixed it all up in there. No, I just need to mix it.
Fuck this, we don't
Go like
do that.
this. Well, thank you. We did it without Maddie, but we won't have anything down below because Maddie's not here. You know.
And please forgive me for the parts I messed up on. And so, bye-bye. Please like
Please
and
like,
subscribe.
subscribe.
It may be ugly because I just